Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations exercise number 3, question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30 marks. If she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would be 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. So here, sum of marks English and maths together is nothing but 30. So let marks in maths, that is equal to some x marks you take. Let the marks in English that is equal to some y marks you take. According to the question, sum of marks in maths and English, so that is x plus y is equal to 30. So let it be equation number 1. So one more condition he given. For example, if she got 2 more marks in maths, 2 more marks in maths, that is nothing but x plus 2. 3 marks less in English, so what is that? Y minus 3. So the product of these 2 marks is equal to 210. Product of marks is equal to, he was saying that 210. So that is x plus 2 y minus 3 is equal to 210. Okay, now before multiplying we will do one thing. X plus y is equal to 30. So here y is nothing but 30 minus x. Substitute that y value here. X plus 2 into y is nothing but 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 210. Okay, now here x plus 2, this is the value of y. 30 minus 3 is nothing but 27 minus x, that is equal to 210. Okay, now here multiply x into 27 is nothing but 27 times x. Okay, minus x into x is nothing but x square. 2 into 27 is nothing but 54. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into x is nothing but 2x. That is equal to 210. Okay, now here minus x square, 27x minus 2x. So that is nothing but plus 25x. Okay, here 54 is there. And we bring this 210 to left side. This is also minus 210 is equal to 0. I am getting here minus x square plus 25x. 54 minus 210. So what is the difference? 210 minus 54. So 0 minus 4 is not possible. So take borrowing from here. So here 10 minus 4 is 6. So here also not possible. Take borrowing. So 5. 156 I am getting. So minus 156. So that is equal to 0. So now we have to find the roots. So for that, what you have to do? Apply the formula here. So quadratic formula. So the best method to find the roots are nothing but quadratic formula method is the best method to find out the roots. So now here it is looking like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore here the value of a is nothing but minus 1. Value of b is nothing but 25. Value of c is nothing but minus 156. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus r minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So x is equal to minus b minus 25 plus or minus b square 25 square minus 4ac, 4 into minus 1 into minus 156 by 2a, 2 into minus 1. So just to see here, multiply 156 into 4 times. 4 6 are 24. 4 5 are 20 plus 2 22. 2 here 624 plus or minus. So 25 square is nothing but 625 minus 624 by minus 2. So x is equal to minus 25 plus or minus okay, 625 minus 624 is nothing but 1 by minus 2. So here square root of 1 is nothing but 1 itself. So finally we left with minus 25 plus or minus 1 by 2. One time you take plus 1, one time you take minus 1. Okay. X is equal to minus 25 minus 1 by minus 2. So just you see here, minus 25 plus 1 is nothing but minus 24 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, you will get 12 times. 2 1 time, 2 12 times is 24. So here also minus 25 minus 1 is nothing but minus 26 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 1 time, 2 13 times. So here we are getting two values for x. So x is equal to 12, x is equal to 13. So in the question we taken let the marks she got in maths is nothing but x. So there is a possibility of getting 12 marks or 13 marks. Okay, now we will see. If she got 12 marks in maths means, so the number of marks in English is nothing but that is y is equal to 30 minus x. So y is equal to 30 minus 12. That is 18 marks in English. For example, if she was getting 13 marks in maths, so English marks is equal to 30 minus x. 30 minus 13, that is nothing but 17 marks. So x is equal to 12, y is equal to 18. X is equal to 13, y is equal to 17. So these are the two possible cases for the given question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.